Hey, how's it going? Today, you and I are going to be using a Ninja Combi to make some crispy Parmesan Brussels sprouts. I know, a lot of people are put off by Brussels sprouts, but if you try this recipe, I bet you're going to like it. So you ready? Let's get into this. Alright, for this recipe we're going to need trimmed and halved Brussels sprouts, fresh grated Parmesan cheese, avocado oil, balsamic vinegar, a little bit of ground pepper, some salt, and a little bit of granulated garlic. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. Alright, the first thing we need to do is get our combi preheated. So we'll turn this on, and we're going to be using the air fry function. You can see that the machine is set for the combi cooker right now. So we're going to flip the switch on the top down, and then now you can see we can select all this other stuff. The temperature is already set to 390, and that's where we want it to be, but we want the time to be 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put this up here until we get to that. And then we're gonna start this up and start preheating. The air fry function on this doesn't have a preheat per se, so we're just gonna give this 5 minutes, and we're gonna put our Brussels sprouts in at 15 minutes. So let's not waste any time and get that ready. Okay, now that we have the oven preheating, we can get our Brussels sprouts ready. This is gonna be stupid easy. So we're gonna be putting most of our stuff in here. So we'll start with our oil, our balsamic vinegar, our salt and pepper, our garlic powder, and we're gonna put in half of our Parmesan cheese. The rest of this is gonna go on when the Brussels sprouts are finished. Now, we're gonna toss this around really good to try to get everything evenly coated. You'll be able to tell because if you look down at the bottom of the bowl, you shouldn't have a whole bunch of stuff just collecting down there. The liquids that we have in here are gonna help make all these herbs and stuff stick to our Brussels sprouts also, so it won't be so bad. Keep in mind, you're probably still gonna have a little bit left at the bottom, but just do the best you can. Doesn't really matter that much, you just want to make sure you get at least a little bit of seasoning on every one of these pieces. Okay, now we can take our pan, put in the crisper plate, and we can pour in our prepared Brussels sprouts. Make sure you try to get these in a nice even line here. That looks good. Okay, we're at about 15 minutes. We'll open this up, slide this in here, and we're ready to air fry. Once this gets about halfway done, which is going to be someplace between 7 and 8 minutes, we'll pop the door back open and give the Brussels sprouts a quick toss in order to make sure they cook all evenly. And other than that, all we got to do is wait. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, let's check this out. That's looking pretty good. Let's get this finished up. Okay, we got our bowl again here. Let's get our sprouts back into there. They might look a little bit dark, but don't worry about that because that is mostly the herbs on these. What? Just a quick stir. And we're gonna toss in the rest of our Parmesan cheese. Now all we gotta do is give this another good stir to get it all combined really well, and we will be ready to serve this out. For a lot of people, the only time they ever order Brussels sprouts at a restaurant is if they're getting it in combination with a steak or something like that. That's not so much that the restaurants are the only place that can make good Brussels sprouts, but because most people don't really know how to make them properly at home. If you decide to make this recipe, I guarantee it's going to change your mind. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Combi that I used to make this, I do have an Amazon affiliate link for it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. If you like this video, but you just can't give Brussels sprouts a chance, I do have a playlist right here that has all of the different side items that I've done on the channel. If you poke around in there, I guarantee you're going to find something that's a little bit more suitable for you. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon. And until that time, I am Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.